Let's Create a Blueprint. My name is Carlos. Hey, we come to you every single day in order to help you increase your knowledge, your financial literacy. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, do not forget, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon and you click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. At the same time, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Why is this? My goal is to help you and help thousands to not only increase the literacy, like I said before, but help you increase your credit score and get to the 800 club. Now, in order for me to actually accomplish this and get to the masses, hey, I need your help as well. This is some free content. All I'm asking you is give me the like. Why is that? The YouTube algorithm will help me out to get there and reach the masses, reach the thousands that I'm looking for. Repetitions, repetitions, repetitions. It's like whenever you go to the gym. The more you do something, the more that it becomes a second nature, the more that you build the muscle memory. Now, something that I wanted to share with you guys today is this morning, I was listening to one of my self-development audios in which Jim Rohn said this quote. It says, if you keep doing what you always done, you will keep getting the results that you always got. Now, are you happy with the way your life is going when it comes down to your finances? If no, guys, it is time to change. Just like Albert Einstein once said, the definition of insanity is keep doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Now, guys, I tell you this is because not only I empathize, but I sympathize with each one of you. I was there once before. I was in the 595 and today I'm on an 804. And not because I'm special. No, I'm not. I'm not special. I believe that each one of you is worth more than $500,000. And I believe that a lot of you are even more smarter than what I am. But I'm relentless. I have consistency. I apply the power of consistency to everything that I do, especially when it comes down to credit. So today I want to talk to you is how you get the higher credit line. Let's say Navy Federal between $50,000 to $80,000. But what I'm trying to say and what I was trying to say before is that if you listen, we coming to you daily. Just subscribe. Just make sure that you get notified. Start using everything that I tell you, little by little. You'll see. I guarantee that if you put in place or you start doing some of the things that I tell you, you are going to start seeing some results in your life, increasing and bettering your credit score, increasing your credit score so that you are able to not only afford better things for you, for your family, but at the same time, you can start helping yourself, helping your family and friends and the people around you. Now, the Best Credit Blueprint, that's what we do. We love to help you, but we also give you the tools. If you want to start a new business, or if you want to actually just do this pro bono for anyone that you know, you want to learn how to do your own blueprint and help others build their own blueprint, then we have you. We got you. But anyway, let's continue. Let's talk about how do you get $50,000 to $80,000 flagship credit card for Navy Federal. So in order to actually, so I'm going to illustrate this a little bit better. So you understand, we got the flagship and Navy Federal, but we also got Barclays. We have all the top 8 banks, or like Bank of America. You have your American Express as well. So this is something that actually worked with me for Barclays. So I have 3 different credit cards. One was 45, the other one was 30, and the last one was 10,000. What I did was I called out and I asked them to transfer the credit line or the limit that I had in my 2 lower cards to the highest one. So for example, I had a 45. I asked him to transfer the 30 and the 10, but I left between $300 to $400 in each car. So at the end of the day, I ended up about $83,000, if I'm correct, on the highest credit card. So you know what I was able to do next? Now I present my resume or my credit report would say that I had an $83,000 credit card that I applied and got approved for. Specifically, I didn't do it, but I knew the hack on how to increase that credit line. What I did is I went to American Express and I asked for the Centennial. I asked to be increased to $100,000. And guess what happened, guys? if I was able to show to the bank or any entity that I was that I was applying for, that I was able to get approved for an $83,000 credit card, and I was able to keep it and had history with it, guess what they do? Then they trust me more and be able to get this credit card or whatever credit card I was looking for. So hey guys, you could do this little trick with different entities. I would advise you to give them a call. One thing you got to keep in mind, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney. I am telling you some of the educational this is an educational purpose type of teaching, but I'm telling you some of the tactics and hacks that have worked with me and have worked with my clients or my customers. Now, I'll tell you what, if you are interested in learning more of these tactics, guys, we have a free training. It's going to be about an hour, hour and a half, in which it's going to be interactive. We're going to help you. We want to help you. We want to see what type of questions you guys have. Free, live. This training is live. It's going to be between our company and the fastest credit repair company in the United States right now. Guys, this training goes every Thursday at 1 p.m. right now until the end of the year. Then we'll change the time coming January 2022. But if you're interested, hey, the link is going to be in the bottom. Join, go ahead, subscribe to the free training. It is free, no strings attached. Come to it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we can offer you. Let's see how we can help you. In the description, we not only have the registration for the free training on Thursday at 1 p.m., but I also have two gifts for you. We got two gifts, two little surprises. The first one is going to be the Remastered Secrets Lenders List. Now, this list is not only going to tell you what about 400 to 500 creditors that we research in the United States. It'll tell you the credit score that they need in order to qualify you. What credit bureau do they pull from, but approximately how much of credit you will get with your credit score. We also have the Tradeline cheat sheet. Guys, that's a gift to you. This is, look, it's almost the end of the year. We want to give you a value as much as we can. Go on the bottom of the description, subscribe to the free training. At the same time, do not forget to get you two free gifts. You got the Tradeline cheat sheet, but you also have the Remastered Secrets Lenders List. Guys, it's our gift to you. End of the year, we want to give you over-deliver in everything we have. We want to help you to actually cross the line to 2022, not only with your right foot, but with your left foot as well. I want to make sure that we give you everything, all the tools that you need. Now, if you're interested, we could go more in depth. There's a lot more information that we have for you. There's immense amount of value that we could give you in order to help you reach the 800 credit score. Do not forget, use that little hack in order to get higher credit lines on your credit cards, but use it with different. But remember, you need to have at least between 2 to 3 credit cards with the same creditor in order to use this little hack. Guys, thank you for being here with us. My name is Carlos, Best Credit Blueprint. Do not forget to subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon. Click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post some new content. At the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. You know what that do? That helps me out with the YouTube algorithm to reach the masses, to reach the thousands. I appreciate you here today. Until the next time, which is tomorrow. Remember, we come to you every single day. Till the next time, this is your boy Carlos Vega, and I'll see you in the next video.